What's up, guys? Here's part 13 of building Nasty Love.
Recently I found water's been getting onto the passenger floorboard, and I suspect it's due to a large buildup of debris under this cowl. I'm also going to try to clean up the dash as best as possible without Goo Gone. So we grabbed our freshly cleaned tools thanks to Autotechaaron. Then we headed out to the truck to remove these wipers and the 4 screws that hold the cowl on. And I have a pretty good feeling there's going to be a lot of gunk under here. So we removed the left wiper arm nut, and then the right side. And then popped off the left wiper arm and the right. And then next it was 4 screws, and I'm surprised none of these were seized. Then off with the cowl. And look at that. Just as I had suspected, this thing is completely full of gunk. So I broke out the trusty shop vac and vacuumed up a bunch of the loose debris, and I wasn't able to get all of it, and that's why I had to remove these screens. And with those out of the way, I was able to vacuum up a lot more debris. I then repeated the same steps to the other side. And then finally, I blew it all out with compressed air. Now, I'm not positive this is going to solve my water intrusion issue, but just look at how clean that cowl is now. Then we started to reassemble. I put the screens back on, followed by the cowl, and then the screws that hold it in place. And then next I put both of the wiper arms back on. And now that that's done, it's on to our next task. But before cleaning up the dash, I thought I'd remove this water stain. I put down some baking soda and then scrubbed the whole thing with Autotechaaron, and it actually did a really good job. And now I was on to cleaning up the dash. Now my goal here was just to remove loose dirt. But surprisingly, the Autotechaaron actually removed a lot of the old dried on dash adhesive. And I think if I had spent enough time, I could have removed all of it just with Autotechaaron. But I was pretty happy with the result. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for part 14, and don't forget to check out Autotechaaron.